Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to access your older iCloud backups on iPhone. All right, let's begin. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select iCloud and then tap on iCloud Backup. Inside the iCloud Backup section, you will see a list of all backups associated with your Apple ID. These include backups from your current device and any older devices you've used in the past. Scroll through the list to find the backup you want to view. You can tap on each backup to see more information, including the device it came from and the date it was created. This helps you identify which backup you may want to restore later. Keep in mind, while you can view the list of backups, you cannot directly open or browse the contents. To restore an older backup, you'll need to reset your iPhone and choose Restore from iCloud Backup during the setup process. So that's basically how you can access your older iCloud backups on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.